All right, testing was excellent. Actually, pretty precise this thing is. The Stark lathe with Ames compound. I did take that handle off there because it sets up a bit of vibration. I don't need it on there. So, shall we give it a run again? I think it's okay. How fast can we go? I mean, with these kind of motors, it's difficult to, I don't know, kind of different. You got to go higher speed and more energy in that. So, a little different than an induction motor. Induction motor with a, well, whatever. Okay, let's give it a high-speed test. I agree, kind of boring, isn't it? That's pretty good. No vibration now. So that handle I took off. So this is a test run to see how the compound works, and as well as everything else. I can got junk all over. Got to vacuum all this stuff up. Oh, a lot of fun. That's a very long kind of tailstock. Interesting design. It goes out pretty far, which is okay. Again, the chuck, well, it's working, but would prefer something a little stronger. I guess this is okay. Anyway, so what do we got going here? Here's my cable. It's part of the electron microscope. It's very heavy. It's massive. It's got big wheels, which I put on. I'm thinking of using as a machinery mount. Those wheels are really heavy duty. And what else we got going here? Yeah, we got a power cutoff hacksaw there. That was a project. Mini lathe, other lathe in this area. Got 1, 2 miniature drill press. Mini lathe, the lathe behind that lathe. A mini micro milling machine, very heavy little thing. One I build over here, the white, and other odds and ends, more cataract lathes and other things. Up is the upper deck. Gotta fill that up too. Wow! Big bronze heavy duty things here. I'm just sitting in one location, sort of filming. I'll call it a day. Oh, that thing is really interesting how it... My gravitometer does work. Suspended by a spring. I'm going to suspend it by... The spring gets tired after time. The crystalline structures in the spring metal kind of get tired. I'll put a new spring or a very good fishing line onto it. Of course, I'm leery of stuff like that. Organic. Anyway, shut up, John. People get bored of your videos. So, all in all, that's working good. Time to clean up this reveal. There's my power pack. Kind of primitive looking thing, isn't it? Should be in a box or a cover, but oh well, I got the contacts all covered with tape. This is a red-green show where he loved duct taping everything. Oh well. It's handy until I get a proper box. Oh, we got down here a few things. Another shipment came in yesterday. I haven't opened the box yet, and there'll be a bunch more coming in. More radio gear. Woohoo. Okay, so I'll take care of that maybe tomorrow. I'm kind of in a machining mood. And I'll shut up now. Okay.